Good morning, all. Welcome to NCA Signing Concurrence exam. Today's topic is direction sense from intelligence. So yesterday itself we have seen few things regarding the basics of direction sense. Today we will try to solve few problems. Fine, based on the direction sense. Fine. Yes. Shall we start? Shall we?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Be energetic. Don't be like yesterday. Fine. Yes. So we know the major directions, right? First, we started with just have a quick revision on this one. So, what are the major directions? North, south, east, and west, right? Yes, very good. Then subdirections based on these. So, north plus east is northeast. Yes, very good. North plus east is northeast. South and east is southeast. Southwest is southwest. North and west is northwest. Okay. Next, we have seen one problem based on this one. If the direction is being changed, and also if a person is facing east during sunrise, so where his shadow will be? A person is facing east. Fine. So a person is facing the east direction during sunrise. Where his shadow will be?
West side.
Yes, in the west side. No, it is in the west side. Okay. So, for example, if a person is facing the south during sunrise, where his shadow will be? On his right hand or on his left hand side?
Is left hand side.
Left hand side. When he is facing south, I am asking when he is facing south, you will try to turn and see also. Okay. So when you face south direction, fine, when you face south direction, where is your right and left hand? Your right hand will be on your west side.
Yes, ma'am.
Your left hand will be on the east side. Now tell me, during sunrise, where your shadow will be?
East side.
Where? On west side only. West side, which hand is there?
Left hand.
Is it
Left
left or right?
Right.
Right hand, yes. So when you're facing south, your right hand will be on this side and left hand will be on this side. When you face north, okay, your right hand will be on this side and your left hand will be on this side. Okay. So when you face east, your right hand will be on the south, that is showing the direction south, and your left hand will be showing the direction north. Okay. Is it clear? Is that clear or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. When you face west direction, your right hand will be in showing the north, pointing to
the left hand will
the
be in
north,
south.
and your
His
left hand will be in the
east
south direction. Will be in the during sunset. Okay, during sunset, where is your shadow?
East.
East. Okay, fine. Towards east, or else you can say at the back. So during sunrise, okay, during sunrise, fine. He is facing towards west. Okay, where his shadow will be? On his left side, or on his right hand side, or at the back side, or else on the front.
Ma'am, on left side.
How come left side? So during sunrise only, no? If a pen has been here, okay, if a pen has been here, if a pencil or pen has been pointed towards here, where its shadow will be, the sun's light will be hitting it, and its shadow will be like this, no? So likewise, the sun rises in the east, and his shadow, he is also pointing towards the sun. The same point it will be. So the shadow will be in his front, right? try to walk and see during sunrise, okay? So to walk towards west and see, walk towards north and see, walk towards south. So just try to observe these things by today and tell me tomorrow, okay? People can able to do that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Observe that and tell me, fine?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Why others are not responding? Jinu, is this clear, Kana, what I'm saying? Harish?
Yes, ma'am.
What about Harish? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why? What happened? Your voice is so dull. It's very low. What happened, Kana? Are you all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we'll move on to the next question, okay? A is in the east of B, which is in the north of D. If C is in the south of D, then in which direction of A is C? So they are talking about placing each positions of, that is the each letter's position. So I'm drawing 4 points, okay? East, west, north, south. So we can say, where is this is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. So where is A? Where is A?
East.
East. Just try to point one thing, okay? Just try to find B of east, okay? It is not in just east, okay? It is in the east of B. So I'm placing B here. So where is the east direction? This no. So east of B. A is in the east of B. Can you relate this one with the statement? A is in the east of B. So B oda east side la is A is there, right? So B, I am placing here B here. So if I am making this as one means, so this is north, this is east, this is west, sorry, this is south and this is west. So east, towards east, I can put A, right? So next question, which is in the north of D? So which is in the north of D means that B is in the north of D, right? So north of D, if I place D here, okay, if I place D here means towards north is B, right? So here it is B. So I can draw a line and mark D in the down, right? Downwards, right? Downwards, right? Is that clear what I'm drawing?
The front of B only, the north side is. Ow.
Yes. But they are saying B, which is in the north of D. With respect to D only, it is in the north. Okay. So D, with respect to D or the north is upwards, right? North. With respect to D, you want to watch this with respect to D. Okay. Yes. Then if C is in the south of D, just now you're keeping D as a point. Okay. Where is south D? South. So downwards, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, downwards. So you can write C here, right? So A is in the east of B. See, listen carefully. A is in the east of B. East. A is in the east side of B. Correct? The statement is being matching with the diagram, right? So A is in the east side of B. This is the B's east side, right? So it is in the east of B. Next, what they are saying, which is in the north of D. So that is, they are saying B is in the north of D. Okay, so B, now we can make B in the north of D, but we can write like D downwards and you can write B upwards, okay, B at the tops to make it that B is in the north of D, right? So then if C is in the south of D, they are saying that C is in the south direction of D. So by keeping D as a center, okay, we are marking the south and towards the south, C is being there. C is in the south of D. So we are making that C to the south of D, right? So what's the question then? In which direction of A is C? Now they are asking about with respect to A, where is C? So where is C? So for the draw a diagram like this, okay, mark that one, north, south, east, west, okay. Here it is A, assume that here it is A. So C is here, where it is? Now you can tell me where it is? Where
Ma'am,
C is? South? South?
uh,
It is between
east.
west and west and south, no?
Ma'am, southeast.
No, how come southeast? It is between south and west only, no?
What, ma'am?
B is the answer.
D is the right answer. Yes. So you can draw like this, okay? So if I draw south here means, so it is in the southwest direction. Okay, don't worry, I'll repeat it. So you know how to place these things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just give me a minute. So here I'm writing B, A. I'm writing it here, okay? B, A, D, and C. So I'm drawing the line with respect to A, right? Why it is not changing this way, Kana? Yes, now you can see this, right? Now you people can able to see this, right? So we have drawn B, A is here, and D and C. Right? So what we want to find with respect to A, right? So if I mark like this means, yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Right. Yes. If we draw like this means, so this is east, this is north, this is south, and this is, what is this direction?
West.
This is south, and this is west.
West.
West direction. So if I am asking, they are asking about C, right? It's in which direction? It is between west and south. So it is in the southwest direction. Okay, it is in the southwest direction because it is between the south and the west direction. No, so we can directly say that it is in the, with respect to A. They are asking with respect to A. That's why we are writing it as southwest.
You draw this before itself means in this diagram you drawn means it's correct.
Yes, because previously we are marking the statements, right? So now the question, we are addressing this question. So the statements, for drawing the statements, it is, that thing is mandatory, okay? So for addressing the question which is being given based on the statements, we want to draw with respect to the A, okay? You want to draw the directions with respect to A. Fine. This is clear, right? Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is my slide is changed?
No, ma'am.
Yes, now, yes. A clock is so placed that at 12 noon, its minute hand points towards northeast. In which direction does its hour hand point at 3? So they are saying that at 12, okay, the minute hand points towards northeast direction. Okay. In which direction does it, the hour hand point at 3? So the 12 noon means the minute will be in minute and hour hand will be in 12 only, no? Both minute hand and hour hand will be at pointing towards 12 only, right? Is that clear what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is our clock. It will be in 12 only, no? The minute and the hour hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So they are saying, what they are saying?
And the answer is southeast.
Southeast. Is that so?
No, the answer is
The answer is
north, ma'am.
north. Okay, let's check it, okay? So what they are saying at 12 noon, its minute hand points towards northeast. So northeast is this direction only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am drawing the dotted lines, okay? So this is north, this is south, east, and west. So they are saying this is northeast. So this is northwest, south, east, southwest. This is southeast, right? So what they are saying, at 12 noon, its minute hand points towards northeast side, right? So the minute hand is facing towards the northeast side means we have 12 here, right? We have 12 here. It is not in the north. We are changing the direction of the clock itself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So then what will be, where will be 3? Here it will be 3. That is 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5. This will be 5. This will be 6, right? So opposite to 12 is 6. Opposite to 3 is 9, right? So this is how the clock looks after changing that direction. That is, we are placing the clock tilted. Fine. So they are asking now, in which direction does its hour hand at 3 o'clock? At 3 o'clock, what will be the hour hand? Where the hour hand will be? So at 3 o'clock means the minute hand will be facing towards, pointing towards, just give me a minute. I just change the color, okay? Yes, fine. I hope you can see my screen, right?
No, ma'am.
No,
Not changed.
no. You can see the blue color, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we'll try to change it. White color, no. Pink color, which color is okay?
Ma'am, you can use black.
Yes, fine. So, where will be the 3 o'clock? The minute hand will be facing towards 12 and the hour hand will be in 3. Now say the direction. Which direction does the hour hand point at 3 o'clock? So where is the hour hand?
Ma'am, in
Southeast.
Southeast direction. Very good. That is in the southeast direction. Let me repeat that, okay? So just those who don't understand, just observe this carefully, okay? So usually we'll be having 12 o'clock, 12 noon. It's been like, that is the hour hand and the minute hand will be together, right? So together, that is one above the other in the same direction also. right? The direction of the hour hand and minute hand, that is the minute hand is pointing towards the northeast side, right? So northeast side means at 12 noon, obviously it's 12 noon means it is the both the minute and hour hand will be in the same position, same direction, one above the other, right? So we are, if it is in the northeast direction means, so I'm drawing this, how it will be changed. So in this is northeast, right? So this is northeast direction. So that this will be changed to here and this will be like this, right? So this will be 12. So next what is there? So here it will be 3, here it will be 9, and opposite to that will be 6. Okay. So what they are saying, in which direction does its hour hand point at 3 o'clock? So 3 o'clock, we are making that at 3 o'clock. Okay, we are drawing 3 o'clock. So the hour hand will be at 3 and the minute hand will be towards 12, right? So that will be in 12. So now see the direction, where the direction of 3 is been pointing, where the hour hand is. They're asking about the hour hand, where the hour hand is. Because we before itself we have drawn the directions, right? So the hour hand is pointing towards southeast. Okay, the hour hand is pointing towards the southeast direction. Yes, Kanna? Yes, tell me.
But in rainy clock itself, it will have the 3 o'clock will have in the east side only, ma'am.
Ah, yes, but they have changed the question, no? At 12 o'clock, the minute hand is pointing towards northeast direction, right? So northeast direction. So we have changed the 12 to in the northeast direction. Instead of north, we have tilted the clock itself. Okay? So that the 12 is pointing the northeast direction. Is that clear now? நம்ம வந்து அந்த நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் டைரக்ஷன்ல இருக்கு இல்லையா, தட் இஸ் 12 o'clock வந்து நார்த்ல இருக்கு பொசிஷன், ரைட்? சோ அத நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் டைரக்ஷன்ல ஃபேஸ் பண்ற மாதிரி 12 வச்சிருக்கோம். பிகாஸ் 12 o'clock மினிட் ஹேண்ட் எங்க இருக்கு, நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் டைரக்ஷன் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. சோ ஆப்வியஸ்லி 12 o'clockல மினிட் ஹேண்ட், இப்போ சப்போஸ் இஃப் யூ ஆர் பிளேசிங் தட் மினிட் ஹேண்ட் இங்க பிளேஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க, நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் டைரக்ஷன்ல பிளேஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா இட் won't be 12 o'clock, right? You want to change that 12 also. You're getting at this one. So you want to change the position of 12 also. If you are keeping that minute hand towards 12, 10 or towards northeast, and you're making the hour hand at 12 means, so you can't change it, okay? Because it is not 12 noon. It will be 12:10 or 12:15 like that. Sorry, 12:10, 10 to 20, right? So 10 to 15, right? In the northeast direction. So you can't change only the minute hand. You want to bring this 12 to here. That is 12 also in the northeast position. Is this clear now? Why we are changing that 12 also?
Oh, ma'am, I can't understand.
You can't understand. Okay, fine. So now listen, Kanna. So நம்ம இப்ப 12 வந்து north directionல தான் நம்ம வச்சு பார்க்கிறோம். கரெக்ட்டா?
Okay, ma'am.
இப்ப நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா நம்ம மினிட் ஹேண்ட் வந்து எங்க இருக்கு பாயிண்ட் பண்ணி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க, நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் டைரக்ஷன்ல பாயிண்ட் பண்ணி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. கரெக்ட்டா?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If I bring the north, okay. See, இது 12, இது 3, இது 9 and 6. Okay. If நான் இங்க 12 o'clockக்கு 12 கிட்டயே வச்சுட்டு, so minute hand எங்க இருக்கு, north east direction. This is the north east direction, right? So north east direction ல நான் minute hand கொண்டு வந்தேன் அப்படின்னா, is it 12 noon or 12:10?
12:10.
12:10, around 12:10 only, no? So if I am keeping like this means they said 12 noon. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும், this 12 o'clock இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வரணும். கரெக்ட்டா? அப்ப இந்த whole clock நான் டர்ன் பண்ணேன் அப்படி. This is first one, this is second clock வந்துருமா? செகண்ட் கிளாக்கோட பொசிஷன் 12யும் நான் எங்க கொண்டு வரேன், நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் டைரக்ஷன் கொண்டு வரேன். அந்த கிளாக்கையே ரொட்டேட் பண்றோம். ஓகே, கிளாக் வைஸ்ல டர்ன் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா 12 வந்து நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் டைரக்ஷன்ல ஃபேஸ் பண்ற மாதிரி வச்சிடலாம். கரெக்ட்டா?
Yes, ma'am.
எஸ். அப்ப என்ன ஆகும், இப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம், 12க்கு மினிட் ஹேண்ட் வரைஞ்சோம் அப்படின்னா ஹார் ஹேண்டையும் 12 நூன் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க கரெக்ட். ஸோ ஹொட்டூன்ல எப்படி இருக்கும், ஹார் ஹேண்டும் மினிட் ஹேண்டும் அட் த சேம் பாயிண்ட் சேம் டைரக்ஷன்ல இருக்கும் கரெக்டா. ஸோ ஒன் அபவுட் த அதர். தனன்யா ஸ்ரீ எஸ் புரியுதா கண்ணா. இப்போ நம்ம 12 o'clockனா எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க, 12 o'clockனா இட் வில் பி இன் த ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைன் ரைட்.
எஸ் மேம்.
எஸ். இப்போ நம்ம வந்து 12 o'clock 12 noon அப்போ வந்து மினிட் ஹேண்ட் வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கு, நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் டைரக்ஷன்ல இருக்கு. அப்ப போட்டோம்னா என்ன ஆகும், 12:10 ஆயிரும். அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும், இந்த 12ஐயும் தட் இஸ் கிளாக்கையே நம்ம ரொட்டேட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா 12 noon வச்சோம்னா நம்ம நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் டைரக்ஷன்லயே கொண்டு வந்துடலாமா அந்த கிளாக்க. எஸ். இப்ப அவங்க இந்த டைரக்ஷன்ல வச்சு, அதாவது 12 வந்து நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் டைரக்ஷன்ல வச்சு 3 o'clock இருக்கிறப்ப என்ன பொசிஷன் வருது, ஹார் ஹேண்ட் எந்த பொசிஷன்ல இருக்குன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. அப்ப 3 o'clock எப்படி வரைவீங்க, 3 o'clock வந்து 12 கிட்ட மினிட் ஹேண்டோ 3 கிட்ட ஹார் ஹேண்டும் வரைவீங்க கரெக்டா. 3 o'clock எப்படி போடுவோம், 12க்கு நேரா வந்து மினிட் ஹேண்டும் 3க்கு ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா வந்து you will be drawing the hard hand right.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, they are asking in which direction that the hard hand எது பாயிண்ட் பண்ணனும்னு கேக்குறாங்க 3 o'clock. அப்ப hard hand எந்த டைரக்ஷன் பத்தி போட்டுருக்கோம் நம்ம,
southeast.
Yes, that's the answer, that's it. So it is pointing towards the southeast direction. Okay, so that is why we are changing the har also, that is 12 also we are bringing this 12 also to the northeast direction. If we put only the minute hand towards northeast means it is not 12 noon right, it will be around 12:05 to 12:10, around 12:05 to 12:10 right.
But in the real clock that 12:10 is
what I'm saying.
Yes ma'am.
12:10 is because they are asking with 12 noon only, that's why we are bringing 12 to the northeast direction. Okay,
Okay ma'am.
yes, fine. Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, fine. Who is going to try this one?
Ma'am, the same picture has been shown.
No, it's been changed.
Now change it up. Rough that ma'am.
Yes, I erased that one.
Okay.
Karthik walks up to 10 meters. He turns left and walks 30 meters. Finally, he turns left and walks 50 meters. At what distance Karthik is now from his starting position? So Karthik, we want to draw Karthik first. So where he is going? Want to draw the directions first, okay? So this is north, east, south, and this is west. Yes. So where is Karthik?
North.
Yes. Where is Karthik?
North.
He is pointing. I'm keeping Karthik here. Okay. First Karthik is here. So then what he is doing? He is walking. He walks toward northwards up to 10 meters. So 10 meters north. So after that, what he is doing? 10. Okay, I'm writing 10. After, he turned left and walks 30 meters. Where is his right and left? If he is facing north, okay, where his right and left hand side? 1, 2.
Ma'am, left hand side is west. Right hand side is east.
Right hand side is east. Okay, fine. Left hand side is west. Okay, this is left, and this is right for him now. Correct? So after that, what he is taking? He turns left and walks 30 meters. That is towards the west side, right? Yes, 30 meters. Now Karthik is here, right? Finally, he turns left and walks 50 meters. Again, if he is facing west direction, where his right and left hand will be?
Ma'am, the right hand is north side. The left
Okay,
not
right.
south side.
South side, very good. Sorry, this is left hand. So what he is doing? South side, no? So he turns left and walks 50 meters. He turns left and walks 50 meters. So this is total 50 meters. Now Kartik is here, right? So at what distance he is from the starting point from now? They are asking at what distance. So actually, so he covered, again he covered same 10 meters. No, this is 10 meters, right? This is parallel. This both are parallel, right? So we can say this is also 10. The remaining distance, what he covered?
10, 50.
40. You want to subtract this from 50, right? Total distance is
Taken off from that.
yes, already 10 taken, right? So now they are asking what he is from the starting point. From here, what his position is. So you can take this diagram. Okay. You can take this one. This triangle, okay? You can take this triangle and work on this. Fine. What is the distance here? This is 30. This is 30 because these two lines are parallel. Right? So now we got the diagram like this. Right? Yes, you can mute yourself and talk, Anna. I'm getting some background noise.
Then 10, ma'am.
How come 10? So this will be 30. This will be, we don't know this one. We want to find this direction. Okay. This will be 40. Can anyone try to find this one? How we can do this one? How to find this position from the triangle?
Ma'am, 90 meter, ma'am.
90 meters. No. How can you say that it is 90 meters? By using Pythagoras theorem. You people remember about Pythagoras theorem?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, fine. So hypotenuse side square is equal to opposite square by, sorry, opposite square plus adjacent square. Okay. So what is hypotenuse side? We want to, this is the hypotenuse side. Okay. In a triangle, they are giving the triangle like this also. This is the hypotenuse side. Okay. This is the adjacent side. So this is the opposite side. Fine. So you want to find, make the square of these one. Okay. We'll get the hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square is equal to 40 square plus 30 square. What is the answer? Tell me.
Ma'am, 70 square.
70.
Ma'am, 70 square.
No, you can't add like that. Okay. You want to add, you want to find the answer for squares. Okay. You want to try to answer for the square, for the answer for squares, then you can go for addition. Okay. Tell me what is 4 square?
Ma'am, 16.
16. So square means you can add 2 zeros. Okay. 2 zeros plus what is 3 square?
Ma'am, 3 square is 9.
9. So add 2 zeros. It's square now. Now you add both. So this is hypotenuse square. Okay. Hypotenuse square. So now you add both. What will be the answer? Add this two and tell me. Add these two and tell me. What will be the answer?
1,500.
1,500 or 2,500?
2,500.
Yes.
2,500.
2,500. Very good. So we have only hypotenuse square. I am writing it here. Okay. hypotenuse squared is 2500, right? 2500. Now we want to find only the hypotenuse only. So what we can do? Draw the square root. Okay. Bring that square to the one side means you will be having square root. So 2500. What will be the short one? Hypotenuse. Take the square root and tell me. So remove that zeros. Okay. Try what is 25? Root of 25? When you will get 25? When you will get 25? Yes, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, when we will get
ma'am.
25? So 5 times, 5 into 5. If I draw, like, if we do like this one means, you can remove the square root, okay? So 5 into 5 is 25. Or here we have 2 zeros. So we can write 5 and 2 zeros for 2 zeros, 1 0, okay? 50 square. Try to find 50 into 50. Square is nothing but what? You are multiplying number with the same number. Okay? You're multiplying the number with the same number. So root is, if we want to remove the root, it should be a square number. Okay? It should be multiplied by the same number itself. For example, 16. 16. If we take the square root for 16 means what will be the answer? What will be the answer for 16? What is square number first?
Ma'am, 16 into 16.
No, that is I am taking square root. So it is 4 into 4. Okay. So instead of one root, you can remove 1 4 and you can write. Okay. You can write only 1 4. Okay. So if you square this one, 4 square is 16. If you take root, that will be 4. The same thing. Okay. So if you're keeping that on one side, if I keep a square on one side, like if we have a addition on one side and after equal to, if we want to remove if you want to move that addition towards that is after equal to means you will be making this as minus, no subtraction, right? Whereas the multiplication also, if you want to move this multiplication on the other hand side means you will be dividing this one, right? You will make this as division. Yes or no? Yes or no, Kanna? Yes, based on that, square also, if square is there means when it is moving towards other part, it will be square root. So if square root is there means, if you want to change this means, you want to change it as square. Okay, you want to make this as square only, fine. So try to do the sum after the class also, you will get the answer. Okay, you will try to find the answers. Okay, I'll give few problems based on this. Fine. Yes, Kana, tell me.
What only the answer?
Yes, what the answer is 50. 50, option A. So this is 50. It is not 70, 50 meters. Okay, so he is Karthik from the starting point is 50 meters. Okay. Is it clear what I'm saying?
Yes,
So try to do the sum after the class and see this one. Okay. Based on this, I will, yes, based on this, I will try to give you problems. Okay. What is 36 root of 36? So what is 7 square? What is 49 root of 49? What is root of 49? How can we get 49? 7 into 7, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can write 7. So what is 7 square? It is also 7 into 7. So you're writing the whole number, right? 49. So what is 36 root? 6 into 6. 6 into 6. You're making root. So you are going to remove one root and one square. That is, if we can write as 6 square, no? Root of 6 square. This square root and root will get cancelled. Only 6 will be there. Is this clear what I'm writing? Here also. Root of 7 into 7 will be there. So how can we write the 7? 7 2 times, no? 7 square, root of 7 square. This root and this 2 will get cancelled. So we can write 7. Is this clear now? What I am writing? Is that clear now? So how this will come means 7 into 7. Okay, 7 square is equal to 7 into 7. That is 49. How can we deduct this one means? Reduce this one means the root of 49. Yes. Root of 49. That is equal to root of 7 into 7. So that we can write it as root of 7 square. So this will be written as 7 square, the whole power. The root can be changed to 1 by 2. Okay. So now you can write as 7 into 2 by 2. We are multiplying it. Okay. So 7 into 2 by 2. So this in this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 7 power 1, that is equal to 7. Can you get this? How we are getting this one?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, fine. You will be learning this, Kanna, Dhananya Shri. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, fine. So don't confuse much in this one. Okay, others, you got this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Harini, Harish, Jinu, is this clear, Kanna? So you others, please don't want to confuse with this one. Okay.
Ma'am.
So I have one more problem. So I will give that in the Telegram post board. Okay. Or else we'll try to solve it tomorrow. We'll try to solve this tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, fine. So, ma'am, Kitana, are you there, Kana? Kitana? Kitana, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir, வருவாங்களா கண்ணா?
Ma'am, புரியல.
Sir, வருவாங்களா?
இதோ கால் பண்றேன்.
Okay, fine. Yes. So I hope you got some idea about in depth with directions, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
What type of questions can also be asked? So this is another question. Just try to make note of this one. One evening before sunset, two friends, Ravi and Seema, were talking to each other face to face. If Ravi's shadow was exactly on her left side, which direction was Seema facing? So I'll try to translate this in Tamil as well. So Ravi and Seema ரெண்டு பேரும் பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்க face to face. So இப்ப வந்து ரவியோட face வந்து sunset அப்போ. Okay, ஈவினிங்ல பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஈவினிங் obviously sunset, right? So இப்போ ரவியோட ஷேடோ வந்து எக்ஸாக்ட்லி சீமாவோட லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு விழுந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா சீமா எந்த டைரக்ஷன்ல ஃபேஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்க. பிகாஸ் ரெண்டு பேரும் ஃபேஸ் டு ஃபேஸ் பார்த்து பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்க, ரைட்? Yes. Try to find the answer and tell me tomorrow, okay? So basically, in the topics allame, and that is directions has been completed. We'll try the problem and tell you, okay? Yes,
I
what's
find
the
it the answer.
You
Ma'am,
got
east.
the answer or you found the answer. Yes, very good. Tell me, what's your answer?
Ma'am, east.
Is towards the east. Is towards the east. No.
Ma'am, north.
How north? How east or how north?
Ma'am, west.
Ma'am, south.
Yes. South, east, west. Everything. Every answer is wrong.
Ma'am,
Fine.
west.
Try to find it and tell me tomorrow. Okay. Take time. No issues in that. Okay. Take time. Try to find that and tell me tomorrow. I think you people can take screenshot, right? People can able to take screenshot, right? Try to take screenshot and tell me tomorrow.
Take screenshot.
Yes, very smart. Yes, Kitana. Kitana. So tomorrow you'll be having class by 4:30. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't forget that. And today evening you will be having tests based on geography. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Try to attend the class in the evening as well as in the morning. So morning 4:30 to 5:15 you will be having mathematics. Okay. Today alone, today because you didn't come, that's why we didn't keep the class. From tomorrow, if you're there, not will be having the class. Yes, Kitana, tell me, Kana. Kitana,
Ma'am, call attend பண்ணல ma'am.
call attend to and said no issues in that. Okay, we'll wind up the class. Yes.
Okay.
So that's it for today. Take care of yourself. I think Diksha is not feeling well, right? Diksha and Harish also, I think so.
Yeah,
Both of your
yes,
voices is very low.
Ma'am,
So take
yeah, it's not feeling well. I'm good.
Okay, fine, Kanna. I think yeah, that's why I said. So take care of yourself. Your health is much more important. Fine. So that only you can concentrate much in your studies. Okay. So try to take care of your health and we'll meet in the evening. Fine.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
by 7:30 you'll be having test. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Have
Jai
a
Bharat.
great day.
You told to ma'am to add me.
Yes, I told Kanna.
Okay, ma'am.
That is add you still like. Fine, I will ask them to add. Don't worry, okay?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Kirtana? Kirtana?
Ma'am.
Yes, are you there, Kanna? Yes. Fine. So Diya Diksha அந்த குரூப்ல ஆட் பண்ணிடுறீங்களா?
Number ma'am.
நம்பர் இல்லைங்களா? சரி, ஓகே ஃபைன். ஜஸ்ட் அந்த லிங்க் நீங்க நம்ம ஷேர் பண்ணா போதுமா?
போதும் ma'am.
சரி, போதுமா? சரி, ஓகே ஃபைன். சோ அது மட்டும் ஷேர் பண்ணிருங்க, ஓகே?
Ma'am, can you tell to ma'am to share in chat?
Yes, of course. Can you share that in chat, Kanna? Kitna?
Ma'am.
Yes, and the PD Sainik இல்லாம இன்னொரு குரூப் இருக்குல்ல கண்ணா 2022 Sainik IAS IPS.
Yes ma'am.
அந்த குரூப்போட லிங்க் மட்டும் நீங்க அனுப்புறீங்களா chat boxல so that they can join that group because notes எல்லாமே அதுல தான் இருக்கு.
Okay
You
ma'am.
can stop the live.
Okay ma'am.